કારણ કે ઓખાથી ટ્રાન્સપરન્ટ વોરંટ લીધું છે.
Well, in 538, there are two applications, one 560, 659 and 660. These two applications are one by Mr. Sunil Kaka, other is by Mr. Amod Bhave. Now, sir, my respectful submission is that Amod Bhave is handling or in charge of affairs of MB Pharma, which is situated at Silvassa. Amod Bhave, that is 658. Amod Bhave is in charge of business of AMB Pharma, situated at Silvassa, which is manufacturing these Ayurvedic syrups on a loan license from Harbo Global. It has been given a license under Drugs and Cosmetic Act to manufacture these Ayurvedic medicines. And it is in Silvassa where there is no Prohibition Act. Therefore, whatever activity he is carrying out in Silvassa is in accordance with law. And he has not committed any offense by manufacturing these drugs in Silvassa. That is because he is manufacturing this in pursuance of drug license, which is granted, which your honor may kindly see, which is at page number 'Annexure B. If your honor kindly see Annexure B, which is form number 25D. It is Annexure B. It is
page number 4.
Page number 4.
Next one, page number 6.
Page number 6. No, 4. So, this is granted to Harbo Global Pharmaceutical 25D by the Assistant Drug Controller and Licensing Authority. Thereafter, this license was loaned under the provisions of Drugs and Cosmetic Act and form number 25E, which is at Annexure C. Shital Bhave is the wife of Amod Bhave. So business is in the name of Shital Bhave, but Shital Bhave is a dormant proprietor. Amod Bhave is the person who is carrying on this business. That is why Amod Bhave has been arrested in Dev Dwarka FIR. Shital Bhave has not been arrested. She has nothing to do with this business. So my submission before you, Honor, is that as far as AMB Pharma is concerned, it is situated outside the territory of Gujarat and it is manufacturing Ayurvedic medicines in pursuance of licenses granted under Drugs and Cosmetic Act Therefore, they are carrying out their business activity in accordance with law, and they have not committed any offense by manufacturing these drugs. Thereafter, these drugs are imported in state of Gujarat by one Shivam. The name of proprietor is one Pankaj Waghela, who is not before your honor. And he imports this drug in state of Gujarat in accordance with license granted to it by the Prohibition Department under the rules made under Gujarat Prohibition Act, which is at page number. This is license number.
Page number 17.
Page number 17. This license has been given to Shiva to import and to sell it in state of Gujarat. After granting this license,
These are the drugs which are given.
what drugs he can import, that list is also annexed along with that.
Page number 37.
Page number 17.
17 to 20.
Starting from page number 17 to 29. So drugs are imported in state of Gujarat. And for that, if you want to kindly have a look at
This means drugs in the jelly chain. This is jelly chain.
Shiva. Now, as far as the present applicant which are before your honor, one is AMB Pharma, that is Amod Bhave, who has nothing to do with Shiva, who has nothing to do with retailers. As far as he is concerned, he has manufactured the drug, sold it to Shivam in pursuance of the license granted to Shivam, and as far as his role is concerned, that comes to an end. He is not involved in any further activity, and he is located at Silvassa. पास import license तो हुई है, ये पास क्या
Sample is it for it? Page number 30.
ऐसे आगे नहीं बहुत जरूरी है. Sir, after giving permit import license and the list of drugs which can be imported in state of Gujarat, which are known as spirituous articles, pass is also given, which is at page number 30, where name of drug is given and bottles, quantity of bottle is also given. So it is with the open eye that Prohibition Department grants this permission to the person involved. But as far as I am concerned, I am not going to that extent, because my role ends as soon as I manufacture and sell it. I have no further role to do anywhere. This is my respectful submission. Thereafter, it is the retailers, it is the wholesaler, it is a super stockist or maybe sub stockist who may be held for whatever crime or offences they might have committed. But as far as I am concerned, I am situated in Silvassa. I am manufacturing in accordance with license granted to me, and also I am selling it to a person who has a license to import it in state of Gujarat. This is my first submission. As far as Amod Bhave is concerned.
ABM has issued invoice, which is at page number 31.
And AMB has also issued its invoice for sale of these goods, which is produced at page number 32.
ABM to Shiva.
Kindly see page number 32, annexure I. I. Page number I. Now it is it clearly shows AMB Pharma. Address is given as Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and GST number is given. Email address is given to Shivam, and everything is in order. There is nothing which can be said to be illegal or sold without invoice or any other kind of defect. Goods are supplied perfectly in accordance with law. Yes.
Prior to that also we have.
Prior
said, but the FIR July, it's previous year.
There are other invoices also on next page. There's 14 June invoice is there. Whatever invoice we could get, we have produced sample invoices. If required, I can produce more invoices. But my submission is very short, that as far as AMB is concerned, an example may be taken. Supposing someone manufacture liquor in state of Himachal Pradesh or maybe Delhi, and those goods are imported in state of Gujarat and sold illegally. Whether the manufacturer can be held guilty? Answer is no, sir. So same logic will apply to Amod Bhave. Amod Bhave has been robbed in without any reason whatsoever. AMB Pharma is manufacturing in Silvassa. Police, in fact, has no jurisdiction to even investigate his activity as far as Silvassa or Dadra and Nagar Haveli is concerned. Now, sir, kindly see, there is one more very interesting fact, because all these questions had arisen before Honorable High Court, which is at page number 47. 47. Okay, but there's some problem with my numbering. So, yes. Yes. Here. So, there, the Honorable Court has very clearly observed, if I may be permitted to read para number 2. Her learned advocate, Mr. Maulik Ji Nanavati, for learned advocate, Mr. Aditya Gupta, for the applicant. He submitted that as per the case of the prosecution, the contents of ethyl alcohol has been found about 14.48%. But this is the name of that particular concoction. They have, yes, it is a brand name.
It's a product.
Product name.
Least maybe naam hai uska.
It is a product name, which is they are Ashwa Arista. Yes, is the name of the product. Ethyl alcohol has been found about 14.48%, which is above the permissible limit. As per the further case of the prosecution, the substance was sent to the. Yes, I remember.
Page number. Page number.
Page
sir.
number.
These are all products. Sir. I have produced license is given along with list of products which can be manufactured. So I have produced.
No, sir.
No,
ऊपर-
no, no,
ऊपर
I-
print किया है product.
May-
Category के ऊपर.
After license, sir, then first product is dia booster. Dia booster, page number 7. First is diet booster. Second is appetizer. Third is garrigan. We are concerned with garrigan. Yes,
No, this is ये renew हुआ है sir.
valid up to 13/6/26.
21.
This is then this product list is given. Yes, sir. Seventeen. This was granted on 20th day of January 21. Stone Arista, then Kama Sub Sunindra, then there's some other name. Secretary. Then sir, there are appetizer, garrigan, diet booster. So they are all the products.
All products which you have got license for this, they are included all 30 days.
Yes. But the, yes, this is Uprok Sudhara. Then another Stone Hill, Uprok Sudhara is so and so, Vasul Lake. Yes, yes. These are import license, sir. These are import license. Shivam. Shiva is my
Enterprise.
She is my stockist,
Distributor.
distributor.
license any bus.
So, sir, they are under section 25 of Drug and Cosmetic Act. These samples can be sent to central laboratory for testing, and whatever result report comes, these reports are conclusive. I have a judgment which I will cite. Now, in this particular case, which was before the High Court, anticipatory bail was moved before the Honorable District Court at Ahmedabad, which was rejected. Thereafter, we approached the Honorable Gujarat High Court. Gujarat High Court, in no uncertain way, observed. However, thereafter, the report of the central laboratory dated so and so is also received, as per which the contents of ethyl alcohol is found to be within the permissible limit. Considering the above aspects, notice returnable on so and so, learned FPP so and so, till the returnable date, no coercive step shall be taken against the applicant. The applicant shall appear before the concerned investigation, etc. So, sir, these facts have come before the Honorable Court, and this matter was argued before the Honorable Court extensively. With all the material was placed before the Honorable High Court, and the High Court has also come to the conclusion that as far as the entire exercise is concerned, there does not appear to be any illegality, and at this stage, granting anticipatory bail is not prejudicial to the case of the prosecution, and that is why even ad interim relief has been given, which is very rare to be given. But High Court has exercised that.
In this FIR also, Jerry
In this, as per SL reports, sir, in this particular FIR, percentage of alcohol is 8.03%.
as per FIR itself.
As per the FIR, it's. Your Honor, kindly see the FIR, which is as page number 1. Five 38. Yes. No, in this he has not been arrested so far.
And they are filing these courses that he is arrested.
He is arrested in Okha Marine and also in one of FIR, which is before, which is in Amreli. Barbara, no?
533.
That is FIR number 533. We have not filed any regular bail
It's
for that.
only with respect to Bhavi.
That is Bhavik.
Only
I am arguing for Ahmad. I am not arguing for Bhavik. Bhavik is arrested in 538. I have not filed for Bhavik. He is Bhavik, he is not Bhavik.
Bhavik and he is Bhavik.
Bhavik Presswala. His name is Bhavik Inderbadan Presswala. He is not before Your Honor. He will be in other FIRs, not in this FIR. 538 itself we have not filed. Right now we are
Said Bhavik Presswala ni 654 પછી 657 અને 661 આ ત્રણ ફાઇલો છે. 660 is of Amod. He is in judicial custody at Dwarka, not in
Jamnagar district jail in different.
ટ્રાન્સફર વોરંટ મેં કીધું ને કે ત્યાં કસ્ટડીમાં છે ઓખાથી એ લોકો ટ્રાન્સફર વોરંટ લીધા પણ આખી પ્રોસિજર ગીર આવતા સમય મોડો થયો એટલે કસ્ટડીમાં અંદર વયા ગયા એટલે આપણા અહીંયા કસ્ટડીમાં નથી, અહીંયા આગોતરા છે, ત્યાં જ્યુડિશિયલ કસ્ટડીમાં.
સાહેબ એ પહેલા ત્યાં બાબરા કોર્ટ ત્યાં પણ they were produced for regular bail માટે પ્રોડ્યુસ કર્યા હતા. I mean રિમાન્ડ માટે લઈને આવ્યા હતા ખરા ટ્રાન્સફર વોરંટ થી અહીંયા પાસે એ વખતે એમના પાસેથી વકાલતનામા લીધા પણ પછી એમને કસ્ટડી
Not in this FIR. Not in this FIR. See, they were in 633. FIR number 633. They were arrested. Oh, Babra. There are multiple FIR in the same police station. In 653.
630.
Sorry, 633. So as far as this particular FIR is concerned, he is not arrested. So, sir, in this particular FIR, there are two products. One is Harvey Gold and another is Garrigam. And it is clearly stated on $36. Oh, sorry, sir.
અહીંયા લાવ્યા ને અહીંથી કસ્ટડીમાં ત્યાં રહી ગયા.
પણ એવું નથી કર્યું સર.
They have arrested in one, then sent to judicial custody, then they have taken transfer warrants for another one. Now they gone there, they have not got the test.
એકારે બધામાં તો એક સાથે કેમ એરેસ્ટ કરે છે? એકમાં એરેસ્ટ કરીને રજૂ કરે, પછી બીજાનું ટ્રાન્સફર લઈને બીજામાં એરેસ્ટ કરે. એક સાથે બધા ગુનામાં તો એરેસ્ટ નહીં કરી શકે ને.
બાકી બાબરામાં એક કેસમાં arrest થયું તો બાબરાના ગુનામાં કેમ લાગી જાય? બાબરાનો
સાહેબ, પણ એને એક ગુનામાં એરેસ્ટ કર્યો, પછી એને આપણી કસ્ટડીમાં તો મોકલી આપવો પડે ને. ડાયરેક્ટ તો બધાની કસ્ટડી એકારે કેમ આપે? કોઈ એક જ ગુનામાં કસ્ટડીમાં આપે છે.
arrest તો બધામાં થઈ શકે ને. પણ એકમાં
અરેસ્ટ કર્યા પછી તે છોડી નહીં શકે.
આમાં આગોતરામાં આવ્યો.
ના ના, કસ્ટડીમાં આવી ગયો સાહેબ, એ આગોતરા માટે નથી આવેલું એક કેસ.
આ છે. એ બીજો પકડી તો નથી. આમાં arrest તો બતાવવું જોઈએ. પ્રોડક્શનમાં સરકારના ગુનામાં વિચારી દીધો.
Sir, in this, the problem may be like this, because he is arrested by Okha Marine Police Station.
એટલે
And
ત્યાંથી
sent to
transfer
judicial
પછી એક
custody.
કામ માટે જ લાવે.
Then here they have got transfer warrant in only one FIR. And then he is released in that particular FIR. So probably they will not be able to arrest him in other FIRs.
તે ભાઈઓને
They have to
તકલીફ
hand
પડે
over-
છે. એક માટે એને ટ્રાન્સફર વોરંટ ક્યાં
Or
લેવા?
they should take a transfer warrant in all FIRs.
તો જલ્દી પૂરું થાય. કારણ કે આયોને એવું છે કે એક કેસ માટે બેંક જે ત્યાં ટ્રાન્સફર વોરંટ થી લેવા પડે છે. એ
Sir-
ત્યાં જ્યુડિશિયલ કસ્ટડીમાં છે, ઓખા છે સાહેબ.
So sir, as far as this FIR is concerned, on page only 8.3% is there.
Only one product and then.
And only one payment. My. So, sir, that is my first submission, that as far as Amrut Bhavi is concerned, he is situated at Silvassa, he is manufacturing at Silvassa. He has all the licenses to manufacture, and he is not sold goods in retail or wholesale in the state of Gujarat. He has only supplied to Shivam Enterprises, that too in pursuance of a valid license which he had. Therefore, he is not involved in any kind of retailing. As far as the question which arises that these goods are being misused and used by people for intoxication, my humble submission is that there is no requirement of any law which requires any license to be taken for sale of these goods. This is unregulated sale which is happening in state of Gujarat. Like cigarettes, sir. Cigarette also is very much injurious to health. But there is no regulation. Anyone can purchase cigarette, smoke. No, I'm not convinced. It is all, these products are all similar products which are injurious, maybe injurious to health. We do not know for sure, but they may or may not be injurious to health. But this is, I'm giving one example. Cigarette is one of them. Then tobacco products are another example, where they are sold, and they have big advertisement also that these are injurious to health, you will get cancer and all that. People are still using them. Now, if there was some requirement by the government or legislator had thought it fit, probably these sale would have been regulated, which has not been done. And there is no law which says that you have to sell these particular product in a particular manner as far as state retailing is concerned. So, in my humble submission, even if we look at from our conscious point of view, there is no law, but that is for the legislature to decide how to regulate its supply and sale. Eventually, goods are manufactured, they come to state of Gujarat, and these are sold. Some people might misuse them also. I cannot say that they will not misuse, but that is at the discretion of the user. Nothing can be, for that manufacturer cannot be held responsible. They should be arrested. They should be arrested. Or sir, demand is created by the consumer. It's the other way around. Like sir, in case of alcohol, if someone is found drunk, he is liable to be arrested and punished. Similarly, if someone is using these drugs for intoxication, they can similarly be arrested and punished. So if some people are arrested and sent to jail and stand trial, probably
બ્લડ માં નો આવે છે.
what this is, sir,
Manufacturer has some holding.
what the manufacturer will do about it, sir. And my one more submission is that at the present stage, it is at the stage of bail only. Investigation has been carried out. All the facts are before the investigating agency. Nothing new can be discovered. Goods are also seized by them. Now, whenever the trial takes place, these accused will fully cooperate. They will not be running away. They have all their families and properties. So in case it is granted, then no harm will be caused to the prosecution case. Moreover, sir, FSL report has not stated that these goods are spurious or injurious to health. They have found this is naturally generated alcohol. It is not something which has been added. If alcohol had been added, then we could have understood that some criminal act has been done. It is merely generated by addition of sugar. Generally, in these drugs, if sugar is added, then alcohol will be generated, self-generated alcohol. As far as Sunil Kakkar is concerned, sir, he was previously arrested by CBI and also by
એના ઘણા બધા fraud છે અને
no,
ત્રણેય
there's
અલગ
no
અલગ
fraud.
છે.
He was running a company, a huge company, which defaulted on bank loans, and eventually he was arrested. So,
એના નિવેદનમાં જેને બધું જણાવ્યું કે એને
We have
શું શું
stated in
કર્યું.
our bail application itself.
so he was arrested
650.
and he was behind bar for a long time. And ultimately, after considering all facts and circumstances of the case, he has been enlarged by the Honorable Gujarat High Court. And there are some CBI cases which are pending for trial. As and when that happens, he will stand the trial and truth will come out. As far as this offense is concerned, sir, he is an expert on marketing and he is expert on consultant. He is a consultant. Now he has become a consultant. His role is of a consultant. He has nothing to do with manufacturing, distribution, or sale of goods. He gives his consultation to Harvo Global, which has a license, and AMB Pharma. So his role as such, if we look at it, he has no role to play. Basically, I think the main charges would be against retailers who are retailing the goods. If they are selling illegally, then it would be against retailers, not against manufacturer or against the consultant. Consultant has no other role to play. They are calling him as a kingpin, and they are saying that he is the mastermind behind all this. But before he was released, these goods were being manufactured.
તો ક્યાં કેટલું કેમ મોકલવું ને એ જ નક્કી કરે છે. અને એનો નિવેદન જોઈએ ને એમાં એને બધી વિગતો આપેલી છે. હજી આયો ને પેલી વિગતો ત્યાંથી મગાવવાની તો બાકી છે. મારી ઉપર આ પ્રકારના ગુના છે, આમાં મને બેન મળેલા છે, અહીંયા મેં આવું કરેલું છે ક્રિમિનલ હિસ્ટ્રી ધરાવતો
Sir,
માણસ
in this
છે.
country, if you are running, even if you are running a honorable business, we are also handling lot of banking laws. We are aware that there, he was into marketing and distribution for a long time. Therefore, he is quite knowledgeable about various things. So he will, after coming from jail, he will have to do something. He is doing some activity and earning an honorable living. It is not that by giving his consultation or he is committing any offense.
He has not reached any terms and conditions.
And he has not breached any terms condition of the bail which was granted to him by the Honorable High Court. Lot of times, sir, it happens that people get typified with public opinion is such.
I'm not saying he's a bad.
No, I'm not saying he's good man or bad.
Marketing of why one what it is to supply is dealing in the computer part.
He was basically, sir, he was basically running a company. And it was a very big company which had almost 1,000 crore rupees of turnover and all that. But because of some competition, as he told me, I'm not aware why and how his company incurred huge losses. But somehow his company was lost. And now this company has been liquidated by order of NCLT. And Honorable High Court has granted bail to him after it is shown to Honorable High Court that money has not gone to his pocket. He is not a rich man even today. And he is providing his consultation because he has experience of running a company. So definitely he will be doing something. He has set up a consultancy firm. Many people might approach him for consultation. So as such, his role, it is located in Ahmedabad. It is located in Ahmedabad.
શિવમ એન્ટરપ્રાઇઝ સંભાળે છે ને
No, he is not marketing expert. Shivam now owner છે પંકજ વાઘેલા.
મારા કાગળોમાં એનું નિવેદન છે આખું.
And then sir, third application in other matter is one Bhavik Presswala.
હા
He is manager of Harvo Global. As such, he has no role against